Welcome back to the Inboden's channel. Come with me, let's make a meal that won't break the bank. Inboden's experience. You ready to go? Now that we have all our ingredients, let's get our chicken into our 350-degree oven. Alright, now that we have our chicken in the oven, let us get started with the rest for our rice. We're going to take half an onion and chop it up. You can do this finely, you can do it chunky. My family prefers pretty big chunks of onion, so I like to leave it pretty big. Alright, now that we're done with our onion, we'll do our cilantro. You only need a little bit of a handful of it, and we'll just chop it pretty nicely and stick it in the bowl with the onion. With our cilantro chopped, we want to get half a lime ready for the rice, and then we're also going to open our can of crushed tomatoes and get that ready as well. Now it's time to light the fire. This meal only takes about 45 minutes to cook, and while prices may vary, it comes to roughly $10 per person. This is one of my favorite easy family meals to cook, and the results are mouth-watering. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And to stay up to date on all the latest Inboden's content, be sure to ring that bell. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.